Hey guys, this is Michael WVX123 here, and this is going to be an unboxing of the new Superfly, which is called the Nike Mercurial Superfly 5. This is actually the firm ground size 9, and this is the total crimson volt with black and pink blast colorway, which is the first colorway of the Superfly 5, which is part of the Nike Spark Brillance pack. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this unboxing. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making a review and playtest video for this shoe in a week or two. So yeah, please like and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching.